Hello, my name is Ryan. I will be using science to determine which brand of paper towel is strongest when wet. I chose this question because it is an interesting question. We use paper for many different things like books, gift wrap, money, drawing, cards, writing, and more. Paper is usually made out of natural fibers. It is a thin material and it's also smooth. People use paper towels on a regular basis for cleaning up wet spills. When shopping for paper towels, there are several brands available to choose from. Consumers would like to know which brand of paper towel is strongest when wet, which helps you save money. My primary objective is to test 3 different brands of paper towels to determine which brand is the strongest when wet. The manipulated variable is each different brand of paper towel. The responding variable is the amount of time required for each wet paper towel to break. The constants are weight and water. In my experiment, I used 75 marbles for weight and a half cup of water for each test. The materials required for this experiment are 3 different brands of paper towels, a measuring cup filled with a half cup of water, a plastic cup filled with 75 marbles to use as weight, a stopwatch to record the length of time each wet paper towel can support the weight. We also need 2 stools to suspend the wet paper towels, a small bucket to catch water as it passes through the wet paper towel, and 4 cans of soup to hold the paper towels in place on the stools over the bucket. The procedure for this experiment is as follows. Gather all the materials needed for this experiment. Precisely measure half cup of water into the measuring cup. Support the dry paper towel using 2 footstools and 4 cans of soup. Pour the water onto the paper towel. Place the weight onto the wet paper towel. Begin recording with the stopwatch. Observe until the weight causes the paper towel to break and record the amount of time required from the stopwatch. Repeat this process for each brand of paper. The data from my experiment shows the Scott brand paper towel lasted from least amount of time. When the weight was applied to a wet Scott paper towel, it only lasted 45 seconds until it broke. The data also shows the Kirkland brand paper towel is stronger because it took 2 minutes and 36 seconds to break with the same amount of weight applied. Finally, the data proves the Brawny brand paper towel is the strongest of the 3 brands compared. Brawny did not break even after 6 minutes when we stopped the test entirely. In conclusion, based on the data from my experiment, a consumer can save money by using less paper towels to clean up wet messes with the stronger Brawny brand paper towel. Please take a moment to watch my video presentation of my 4th grade science project, which I posted on YouTube. Thank you.
Created using PowToon.